Fixed install unknown services disabled. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, what you need to do is go to the settings of your device and then scroll down to passwords and security. After that, go down and tap on privacy protection. Here, just tap on your special permissions. Now here you can see the option of device admin app. So just tap on that. Then tap on any app that you have over here. Make sure to deactivate this device admin app. After that, go back and then tap on display over other apps. So you'll be able to see different apps that has been able to display while using the other applications as well. So after that, go back and tap on install unknown apps. Make sure that you have allowed to get it downloaded from other services as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.